Hiccups in management. Small problem, big trouble. Ever had the hiccups? Annoying, right? One little spasm and suddenly you can't focus, can't talk properly, and everyone's giving you strange advice to fix it. Now, imagine your business having hiccups in management, small inefficiencies that throw everything off balance. A missed deadline here, a supply shortage there, slow decision-making, and before you know it, your entire operation is out of sync. Just like hiccups, these little disruptions might seem harmless at first, but over time they can cost you money, efficiency, and even customers. Good news? There's a cure. At Kaleidoscope International, we specialize in diagnosing and eliminating these management hiccups before they turn into real problems. From optimizing supply chains to improving business processes, we help companies breathe easy and run smoothly. Ready to stop the hiccups and take control? Let's talk.